Hi everybody and welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the user manual for the TCL MoveAudio S200. Firstly, we have to open the web browser and then here we have to search for the TCL MoveAudio S200 user manual and then search. Now you have to scroll down to this website from TCL.com. It will take a while, so don't worry. As you can see, identical. And here we have to tap download. Here we have user manual. Download again. And here we have our user manual. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.